Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how do you can make split photos on Instagram. So many of us wanna do this but don't know how to do it. Let's see. Firstly, you have to download an app from the App Store called Greedy app. Then you have to download that app. But first I need to open this because I have already downloaded that app. Then I will choose the photo that I wanna upload. Then I will make it in 9 pieces and I will save this picture. After that I will go to the Instagram. Then I will upload the photo serially, 9 photos. One by one I will put the photos and it will make a single photo together, a giant square split photo. After that it will be uploaded and you can see the single picture with the 9 pieces I have made. Let's check it out. So this is how we can make split photos on Instagram. If you like this video, do thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.